Hello. Here are you two girls. Oh, me and Lizzy honor and order restored. Lizzy's on the inside and order's on the outside right now, and they're going to switch sides when they come by us again so you can see both of them equally. Very well behaved. Pretty fillies. Here they come second time around. Again, the girl with all the white is Lizzy. The girl on the inside now is order restored. Just to give you an idea of how far around this is. Here they come down the hill after their gallop, just so you can see them a little better. Nice fillies. Okay, this is on order restored. Oop, there's my girl. And Lizzy. I'm gonna just go with that. Lizzy's honor.